back up. I'll put the dog back up. Fine. Ow! That wouldn't work. That wouldn't work. That wouldn't. My dog is friendly. My dog is friendly.
This was the moment a man was arrested after pulling out a gun on cops. Let me take you back to how it all started.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna tase you. You want me to tase you?
Shoot you.
All right. Well, you're gonna shoot me and put your hands up. Right now.
Get away from me.
Can you tase him? Can you tase him?
This is a life or death situation. Get away from me.
Put your hands.
After getting a call from a gas station about a man pulling out a gun, police officers around the area came down to the gas station to check what was happening, but on getting there, the man doesn't want to drop his gun. He even threatens to shoot the cop if they come closer.
Gun away.
You're responding to a guy who got maced.
Okay, I can listen to that if you will take your hand off the gun.
Away from me.
Sir.
This is not going to end well for any of us.
19, he's walking around. Yes. Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put the gun down!
Get away from me.
Put the gun down. Sir, talk to me. Can you please put down the gun? Sir, please put down the gun. Okay? We do not want to shoot you.
Sir, put the gun
If
down.
you put the gun down,
Right?
this will not end. Nobody wants to shoot you.
You just tased me.
Put the gun
Sir, you are holding a gun. You to talk to me.
I'm getting mace off of my face.
Okay, well, somebody said you pulled out a gun and you said you were going to hurt somebody, okay?
No, I did not.
Here, let me talk to you, okay? Listen to me, please. Sir.
Sir, can you put the gun down so we can talk like
What do you want? What do you want? We need to talk to you, though. We can't just leave right now. Sir, can you just please put down the gun and we can talk? Hey, you put the gun down, I'll put my gun away. We all will. Just put the gun on top of the car. We will all put our guns away.
I didn't do anything but wipe face out of my
We're here for a reason, though. You got to understand that.
After several instructions from the police telling the man to drop his gun, he still didn't listen, and now he is driving off the gas station with a gun in his possession. Does the man actually want to hurt someone?
What the man? Where's my car?
Go for it, David. Like,
1045, we'll try to call her again.
19, leaving. Get this car and in the traffic.
Dude.
Moving to Metro looking for.
Alright, at this point, we're not going to pursue him.
At this point, we're not going to pursue him.
What happened?
Dude, we got here. He starts walking around. He has a pistol in his waistband in a holster. So we draw a gun on him, and he starts walking around here. Takes it out of the holster and walks around like this as we're gonna have him at gunpoint. And eventually gets back into his car and leaves. We have no complainant. The complainant called saying somebody was here with a gun. We tried to tase him, didn't work, and he just left. So I mean,
Did the taser hit him?
yeah, one probe did.
No shit. What kind of car was he in?
He was in a gray Kia, no front bumper. I mean, all we really have at this point, I guess UW because he pulled his gun out, but we had our guns out at him too. But that's about it. We have no complaint for the initial thing and obstructing, obviously. But
Immediately after the armed man fled the scene, other police officers had to come down to the scene. Then they decided they have to go after the man because they don't know what he plans to do with the gun.
are your lights on, Fitz? You can try to stop him. I'm sure he's not gonna stop.
No, we haven't gone over 40.
Alright, put your lights on, see if he stops. If he doesn't, just let him go.
I guess I'll wait for more units before I try that, right?
Me and 23 are ahead of you.
Just got a signal on to go northbound Oak Park from 159. About to turn northbound Oak Park with him. Can you step out of the vehicle without the gun? I'm allowed to carry a gun. I don't know if you can.
Grab a lot. Still on the driver's seat. 419 vehicle stop.
Hold on. Talk to me. Don't worry about them, okay? Now I showed up in the first place because somebody said you had a gun, and they were right. What are the chances you had a gun?
Wiping mace off of my face.
And we're trying to figure out why that's it. What happened? We're trying to figure out why you had a gun out in front of people.
I didn't have a gun out.
Sir, we got a call about it. I'm not lying to you.
I didn't have a gun out. I was standing there wiping mace off of my face.
Well, why would I lie to you about that? You had a gun out previous to that. We had a caller about it, sir. So we're just trying to investigate it, and then you up and left.
Guy right here. Look at this guy.
Yeah, well, you got to understand. You had a gun. That's why we're trying to talk to you.
No, you didn't come to talk to me with guns. You came with tasers. You tased me twice. I hadn't pulled out anything.
You pulled away from us. We were trying to speak with you. We wanted to check you.
And you pulled out a gun. And look at it.
Yes, he's got a rifle, sir. You got a gun too. All right, I'm going to go to the other side of the car, right? So can we talk? Can we keep talking? I want to keep talking to you. I'll let you smoke a cigarette. All right, so why'd you get maced? I'd like to get you out of the car without the f***ing gun, man. Well, how'd you get maced? Why'd you get maced? It's important, man. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I'm trying to figure out why somebody said they saw a gun on you. I'm trying to figure out why you pulled away from us before we even had our guns out. I'm trying to figure out why you left. We didn't tase you until you had that gun out, sir. That's all on camera, too. All right, hey, why don't you step out of the car?
Fitz. Can you see it in there right now?
Go, that's your step out.
He's finishing his cigarette, Sarge. Hey, he's got a dog on the back as well.
With your hands up. With your hands up.
Is your firearm in that pouch?
Leave the dog in the car.
Sir, stop. Stop moving.
Stay right there. Stay right there. Just stay right there.
Now step out the guard.
Stay right there.
Do what you were saying.
The pistol was last in the right in his right hand.
I see it, dude. Just relax.
Just relax.
Put your hands behind your back, man. I don't want.
I'd rather
Cuff him.
No, don't try to touch me.
Come on.
Don't try to touch me, please. Don't try to touch me, please. Please don't touch me. You just touched me once. That was one too many times. Please, I'll put the
Let's go. Grab
I'll
it.
put the dog back up. I'll put the dog back up. Fine. Ow! That wouldn't work. That wouldn't work. That wouldn't work. That wouldn't work. That wouldn't work.
What the f***, man?
My dog is friendly. My dog is
fine.
friendly.
In the car.
Check his pouch, though.
I don't have it on me. It's in the car.
I just want to make sure, right?
I didn't come out.
Stand him up.
We did the first time.
It's in my 1, 2, 3.
Supposed to be a quiet Sunday, sir.
Yep.
I know. Why did y'all show up? I got maced. If anything, you should have showed up to help me. Like somebody maced you. Or you're wiping mace out of your. I couldn't see.
You definitely need help. So
Did you mace yourself?
No, don't play.
I don't. It happens.
check his waistline one more time. All right. Call animal control.
We have a dog here in this vehicle.
She will overheat in that car.
We're not going to leave her in the car.
No, we're getting
I promise.
Complainant, there's no
Can I have my face? Stop pulling like that.
You gotta get in the car.
Come on, let's walk to the car. Please.